Simplest form of 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A is 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A divided by 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A is equal to sin square A secant square A into 1 by cosecant square A. Secant A is equal to 1 by cos A whole square into 1 by cosecant A whole square. 1 by cos square A into 1 by cosecant A, that is sin A, sin square A. Sin square A by cos square A. Sin square A by cos square A, that is tan square A. If x is equal to 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta and y is equal to 3 cos theta minus 4 sin theta, then prove that x square plus y square is equal to 25. LHS x square plus y square is equal to x is equal to 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta whole square plus y is equal to 3 cos theta minus 4 sin theta. 3 cos theta minus 4 sin theta whole square is equal to a plus b whole square formula, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, where a is equal to 3 sin theta. 3 sin theta whole square plus 2ab, 2 into 3 sin theta into b, 4 cos theta, plus b square, 4 cos theta whole square, plus 3 cos theta minus 4 sin theta whole square, that is a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. A 3 cos theta whole square minus 2 into a 3 cos theta into b 4 sin theta plus b square 4 sin theta whole square. 3 sin theta whole square, that is 9 sin square theta plus 2 3s are 6, 6 into 4, 24 sin theta into cos theta plus 4 cos theta whole square, 16 cos square theta plus 3 cos theta whole square, 9 cos square theta minus 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24 sin theta into cos theta plus 4 sin theta whole square, that is 16 sin square theta is equal to, here plus 24 sin theta cos theta minus 24 sin theta cos theta gets cancelled. 9 sin square theta plus 16 sin square theta, that is 25 sin square theta plus 16 cos square theta plus 9 cos square theta, 25 cos square theta is equal to 25 common, 25 into sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 25 into 1 is equal to 25 is equal to RHS. So therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, proved. If secant 2a is equal to cosecant a minus 30 degrees, 0 degrees less than 2a degrees less than 90 degrees, then find the value of angle A. Given secant 2a is equal to cosecant A minus 30 degrees. Here 2A is in first quadrant. Cosecant 90 minus 2A. Cosecant 90 minus 2A is equal to secant 2A is equal to cosecant A minus 30 degrees. Cosecant gets cancelled. 90 minus 2A is equal to A minus 30. Rearranging terms, 90 plus 30 is equal to A plus 2A. 120 is equal to A plus 2A, 3A. 3A is equal to 120. A is equal to 120 by 3. 3 ones are 3 40s. A is equal to 40. So therefore, angle A is equal to 40.